Hey everyone, we're going to be taking a look at how to fix this wire which connects the subwoofer of the Vizio Satellite surround sound system to the satellite speakers that go into the entire 5.1 system that you may have bought for your home. So this wire tends to break. We've seen this wire is broken for us, and we've checked online and we saw that other people were having the same problem with this wire here. So you can see the two ends have now split. And the main issue here is that there aren't really many vendors that sell this wire, and the one vendor that we did find that has this wire for sale, unfortunately it's not in stock, and so we had no choice but to just replace the wire ourselves. So we're going to show you guys how to do this yourselves today. And the first step is going to be, we're going to want to strip both ends of this wire, so this end and this end. So if you have wire strippers at home, get them ready, and that's the first step. Okay guys, so now that you have taken a wire stripper or something else and stripped the wires down, so you want to make sure that both of these ends, you stripped out the outer black portion and stripped down the inner white portion of this wire. So on both ends, you're going to see that there's a copper end over here and a silver end. So again, on this side of the wire, you've got a copper end and a silver end. Now, it's really simple. What you're going to do is just take this copper end, both the copper ends together, and you're going to just wind them together like this, okay? And then the same thing on the silver ends. You're just going to take these two and you're going to wind them together. Okay guys, so you should have joined the copper to the copper and silver to silver. So you can see how they're wound up tightly together and they're not touching each other, right? So make sure that they're wound up close to each other. And you're going to take a little piece of electrical tape and individually wrap both of these connections. So I'm going to wrap the copper connection right over here. So as you guys can see, I have individually wrapped both the copper and the silver connections. Now the next step is to take one large piece of electrical tape and wrap the entire thing. Great, so we're all finished. The whole thing has been wrapped up. So now we get to plug this in and test it out.
Left rear, left rear.